Keep it steady, center lift. Copy that, moving to the right now.
All right, ladies, all together now. Push, steady, steady, and stop.
Secure the corners tightly. All right, easy lift on the crane.
Hold it right there. Perfect. Set the air brake now. Roger. Brake is set.
The readout on the tablet indicates consistent pressure. Confirmed. The cut depth matches the schematic here. Centered over the marker. Confirmed. Ready to lower. Lowering sequence initiated.
Check the pressure on the rotary heads. Adjusting now, making sure it stays within optimal range.
Engaging stabilizers now.
Clear on the left.
Lifting in 3, 2, 1.
The finish on this lot is perfect. Look at the data here. Agreed, they can move to packing now.
Keep the speed steady, we're almost through.
Noted. Monitoring the vibration levels now.
That one is slightly off center.
Yeah.
I see it. Adjusting now.
The moisture levels are stabilizing on line 3.
The polish on these white tiles is exceptional.
Ensure the edges are covered.
Securing it now.
Ready for the conveyor.
Keep it steady, we have 3 meters to the drop point. Confirmed, lowering slowly now.
Manifest confirms destination Milan. Crate secured. Ready for transit. Monitor the synchronization closely on that last crate. Already on it. The data stream is clean.
Pallet 4B is secure. Beginning next sequence.
Confirmed. All clear on this side. Guide him back slowly now. Clear on the left. Secure the final strap.
Hold it right there. Perfect. Set the air brake now. Roger. Brake is set.